Hi guys, I want to catch up on some of the things that I wanted to discuss because I, have been celebrating my birthday here in Palawan, and I didn't want to ruin the mood by feeling all sorts of things about the issues that I saw become viral in the last few days. One of the things that really struck a chord with me and felt very personal was the issue of this teacher who shared her lamentations about having to spend out of her own pocket for the needs of her students, and a DepEd superintendent reacted to it in such a detached way that was honestly very, very infuriating to me. It was infuriating because it was so insensitive. Like, ang ako yung gikabiklan atong iyang post was, number one, nga ni ana bitaw siya nga, kana bang, ang imong, murabag, nagbakasyon ko no ang maestra, bisan asa ko no naabtan, unya, mo share ko nag-ingon na ana, sa time ko no sa Brigada Eskwela, nya kana bitaw murag gitanggalan bitaw gid niya og right ang mga maestra nga mo bakasyon. Even ang gabantay sa akong anak, ako magani pa bakasyon nun here and abroad. Ang tutor sa akong anak, iutang pa nako ang iyahang bakasyon to Thailand. Kaya ako man siyang dalhon dito because me and my mom were going. So akong gift sa iyaha because napapasar niya si Tony, napamove up niya si Tony, napapasar niya at Ateneo Cebu because siya gin ang nag-review kay Tony before Tony took the entrance exam. And she really helped with Tony's reading. So I'm bringing her to Thailand. Anywhere that she wants. Wa pagid mi naka-decide fully, but I already told her that it would be out of the country. So mo nang it infuriated me ba kay mas maglista jud ka, 'di ba? Sa mga maestra nga nag-share og ilang lamentation sa realidad nga we all know ato mga maestra, we deserve better. They deserve better, jud. They deserve better pay, they deserve better treatment. They deserve better because they shape our children, our children's future. And they have to deal with students, the class size. They have to deal with krung parents. They have to deal with politics within the workplace. And then they have to deal with an insensitive superintendent like you nga mas mag-una paghuna-huna sa utang nga di ra ba gyud ikaw ang mubayad. So ngano ikaw gyud ang nasakitan. The reality of teachers is that some of them are assigned in places that are so far that they have to hitchhike 8 hours a day. Did you know that? Oh, you wouldn't. Mo ginay issue nga akong gitako, and I even brought that to the attention of Secretary Angara before. Because I saw that firsthand because sa amo ni Sakay ang mga teachers nga nag-hitchhike sa Davao City. Next, Ana, ang realidad that currently, my current birthday outreach would be to help a teacher in Agusan del Sur, in Esperanza, wherein she has 80 students that she needs to send help to because they don't have slippers, basic needs. They don't even, have the capacity to buy their own. And for a teacher to openly say that she needs help, why wouldn't I help? And that's why that is something that I took on as a birthday outreach, me and my husband. When I saw this video, when I saw the post of the teacher, it made a lot of sense. Kaya tinuod magid po, asa makakita ang polis kang palit og yung kaglihong bangbang. Asa makakita og fireman nga mapalit og kaglihong yang hose. Asa makakita, di ba, og nurse nga mapalit og kaglihong yang syringe. Ang pasyente mo palit og syringe para itupok sa iyaha. Ang pasyente mo palit og dextrose para itupok sa iyaha. Kaya ba na mahitabo po sa realidad man na. Pero for a nurse to do that, I haven't seen that happen. Di ba? And for teachers, that's the reality. Mo bitaw na ay Brigada Eskwela. Something that ako pod mismo, I've been supporting. Even if wala pa ni eskwela, akong anak anang eskwelahan na. Proud ko, mo story about ani because I've helped schools in Butuan City. Bisan pag unsa kalay ang ispidnoha. Naabtan sa akong bond papers, gikuha pa nila sa ako ang apartment ato nga time sa Gingona. Because that was the time of modular classes, and then nagkalisod na gid sila para sa ilang mga estudyante that needed to get katong the modules to answer at home. So I gave them all bond papers sa kaya nako plus masks. That was my thing sa pandemic. So muna nakita nako ni ba, uni i-question nimo nga kana bitaw nilaag ang mga maestra. They deserve that. Mulaag magani siguro ka nga superintendent na ka nga yahay na kay ka compared sa mga maestra nga nagkabilat-bilat sila mga trabaho. Kana na ba noon sila? Diba, instead of actually digesting the post and facing the reality, mo ang gani nakamali. When people start to talk about things that are real and true and it hurts you, You attack who they are just by being truthful. I would know this because you do it to me all the time. And to be honest, you're the problem, not me. The problem is that our teachers are not paid well enough. They are thrown in so far an area. And when they lament about their situations, you react that way. Your reaction is wrong. You need to change it. And you need to reconsider your position. Please. Diba? Because if you can't find a way to help the teachers with what they need, dili mo gud nila kay nahanglan ang imuhang opinion nga ikaw pakintahay yun ang hilas. Because it was really hilas. Wa jud na mao. And when I saw it, it infuriated me. Kanya nagikog, ako maganing tutor, maganing sa ko ang anak. Wa pa gani kasulod og DepEd, dalo na maganing akog abroad. Para pasalamat sa iha sa iyang dakong tabang sa ko ang anak. Di ba? Ako na ha. Because that's what she deserves. Kanya na jud ko niya, Teacher Ron, thank you so much for being so helpful to me. I really do hope kay when she passed being a teacher, wala mo ko'y gift niya. Wala ko'y gift sa iha. So ni anak ko, I will book you a round trip ticket to anywhere nga kaya na ako within Southeast Asia. And tamang-tama, me and my mom, we're gonna go on a shopping trip to Thailand to also see my friends. So, ubano na mo siya. So, di ba? Kanang ingon anak gani. And, of course, kita man ninyo sa akong mga bakasyon, sa tanan akong bakasyon halos, naa magani ang gabantay sa kong ang anak. Di ba? And they're not teachers. So, sa pa ka teachers, di ba? Who deserve more than that. Kaya ako gidong mo ginay center sa akong opinion. Our teachers have very real problems. They have to spend for their students. They have to take out of pocket expenses. And yes, they need help pag abot sa Brigada Eskwela. Ako, I can't relate kaya may Brigada Eskwela ang eskwelahan sa kong anak. So maunang ang akong gitabangan o gipili nga maestra didto gyud kinalay ang lugar. Di man ko kauban niya pero hinaot pa unta akong tabang makatabang pod sa iyang mga estudyante. Though 80 raman na kay mo raman po'y kaya nako. Pero di ba? Imagine all those other teachers nga di na lang mutingog. Those other teachers nga mga sakit, mga matay pa sa ilang profession. Because sa ilang gipagdaanan. Because that's what I found out katong about sa hitchhiking teachers. Mao to nga mga sakit ang mga maestra na patoy na stroke. Kay grabe walay tug, unya mo hitchhike pa o pila ka oras every single day para lang makauli sa ilaha. Kay grabe ka liblib layo na gid kaayo gi-assignan nga uli pa sa ilaha every single day. Realidad na. So di ba who wouldn't deserve a vacation in that state? Di ba? Our teachers deserve more. I will not go on to kanabitang further this except the reality ba? Except the reality. That yes, there is corruption. Oy, tinuod na, naa. Pero the only way to fight against corruption is when you know that the money that you give is used. Labi na sa Brigada Eskwela, kay form ko na siya of corruption. How? How exactly? Form of corruption na siya kung ang naay budget o niya wag gamita para anak. Kagigamit para sa actual nga nagbakasyon. Pero di man naman maestra mo gamit anak. Mga dagkong tae man that have access to that money man. Magiladilad ta? Kaya mga maestra biya gyud no nga katong tuag gyud bitaw sa ground o nagkalisod. They don't have access to the money. They don't have access to that budget. They don't. So mauna. And sila ipit-ipiton, sila ang magbaguod o maglisod. So I hope you know that. Kung taas na kagranggo sa DepEd, you should know that and you should know better. And please reconsider your position next time. And kung storyahan gid ang corruption, oy. Mao na diha. Ayaw. Dagay mo gawas nga dili angay. But mao na. I tried to be buutan. It's still my birthday weekend. And next time birthday na, so it's a whole month of me magbinutan. But my opinion still stays. Our teachers deserve better. They deserve respect. They deserve to be valued. They deserve to be heard. And they deserve to lament because they are entitled to these lamentations. Ingat!